Hello and welcome to Hobby Days. In this video I'll be showing you how I attach upright ears to my amigurumi projects. I'll be using my rabbit as an example. If you'd like to have a go at making it, you'll find a link to all of my patterns in the description below. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prepare the ears, as I'm not going to be using these tails to attach them just yet. So all I need to do is sew the tail through from the inside to the outside, making sure I work through both loops of the stitch. So this is the shape I want, and by attaching them folded like this, it will definitely help them stay upright. If you're anything like me, trying to pin parts in place is not very successful. So I'm just going to find the position I'm happy with, checking the placement from the front and the side, and then using a pin, I place the first one just here. A second one on the other side. That looks good. And finally one at the back, just here. Yep, I'm happy with that. So now I just need to match 3 more pins on the other side, and this is now so easy to do. I just follow these rounds, there's the first one, and then 2 rounds down and across 2 stitches, and finally 4 rounds across, just about there. Now I'll check one more time before beginning to sew. I could do with an extra pair of hands for this bit. That looks good. I've cut myself a piece of yarn about 20 inches, and I'm going to start in the back of the head. And up to the first pin I placed. Making sure to leave the tail long enough to tie off later. And then I sew from the back to the front of the ear, making sure I work through all 4 loops of those 2 stitches. And now working towards this pin at the back, continue to sew through the head, and again from the back to the front of the ear. Now that I've worked a few stitches, I can start to pull this a little tighter. Oops, let's just unhook that from there. That's better. And now I'm about halfway across the ear. I'm going to sew through that same stitch. And now continue down towards the third pin. Only a few more to go now. And the last one, give that a tug. And finally, I sew through the stitch just here. No, I've only picked up one loop. That's no good. That's better. And out through the back of the head. Through the same stitch where I started. Now before I do anything else, it's important to reshape the head. Move all that stuffing around. And now if I pull on these two tails, you can see how nice and upright that ear is now. That looks great. And now all I need to do is tie these tails in a double knot. weave in the ends, I like to sew them through in opposite directions. Reshape again, and if you end up with a slight hole where the knot went through, just tease the stitches around it with the point of your needle, and there you go, it's gone. Now trim off any excess. And now I'll sew on the other ear in the same way, and I'll show you how I use these tails for extra stability. Okay, so I'm going to sew across to the other side of the ear. Just about there. And now through the ear, just about there. Through the head and out through the back. Now I do the same on the other side. So I'll go through the head over to the other side. And back through the ear, anywhere just there. And out through the back of the head, through that same stitch as the first one. Give them both a tug. And reshape again. Tie these ends in a double knot. Weave in the ends. And trim off the excess. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe to see more. And feel free to leave a comment. And I will see you next time.